Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my corner of the world. Today we are here for three Chainsaw Man reactions. The first one will be Shwabadi, and then I will be releasing two others after this video. So yeah, get ready for our Chainsaw Man day. So we got I Want Violence. I have no idea what he's gonna be doing. But since it's Chainsaw Man, I'm expecting it to be like super hype, a bunch of energy, all that goodness. And yeah, I'm ready to hop in. So link to the original in the description.
I just think if I kill this guy, it ain't
Edited by
really
Reese.
like a big deal or anything. I can just like when we go back to
Look, man, I'm a simple dude, right? I have simple dreams. Let me talk to you.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I need to turn that up a little bit. Bro. What? Hold up. Hold up. What? Bro, I feel like that chorus is an anthem for the cultured people. I'm just saying. Shwabadi is a dude that knows what he's doing, and I respect it. That beat, though. Oh my god, that bass and the... Are those 808s in the back? Because, like, bruh, oh my god. Jeez.
Okay, let's talk it out. Hero with beast, but he come step into a slaughterhouse. Head trigger tempo, one wrong word and then it all goes south. Don't fuck with old heads, I'm just trying to take their daughters down. Wait, what we talking about?
What are we talking about?
You hit me, I am for the people. Now I ain't got an equal, I am for a peak to peak, I aims for the steeple. And now they give me a...
Yeah, I like that. That was a nice switch. Nice switch right there. And then the way that he, the beat switch, I mean. And then, like, he switched up his flow, too. Like, he's honestly, like, so, like, relaxed during this. Like, outside of the, I'm assuming that was the chorus I played earlier. Outside of that, he's just, like, actually so relaxed that it's kind of unnerving. Because it's, like, I'm expecting him to go, like, super chaotic again. But, like, just to have this like super calm section, I'm like, all right, just do it already, just drop, you know?
If you hit me, I am for the people. Now I ain't got an equal, I am for a peak to peak, I aims for the steeple. And now they give me a sequel, so when I aim for top, she gave me a gleeful. It's Halloween with the brand, hella cerebral. Dog, give me got a dog, give me dingy engine, breath to probably go and cause this.
The dog in me got a dog in me. That's insane. That's insane. There we go. Oh my god, this beats. Reese, great job on the editing.
Bitch, I want violence. Shit, I want violence.
Oh my god, dude, that was great. Only 2 minutes, but in that 2 minutes, there was a lot packed in there. I loved it. This was fantastic. I honestly don't have too much to say other than I thought the beat was super fire. Like the just chaotic energy that came from it was awesome. I love the slight beat switch. I love the flow switch. It was all great. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.